Hi guys, it's Megan here at the Green River Chamber of Commerce. So in this video I'm going to talk about referrals. So we do several types of referrals here at the Green River Chamber on a daily basis. So we do over the phone referrals quite like we do it at least 20 times a day. We get so many phone calls a day of asking about like where to eat or where to shop or um they're needing a new phone company, so we refer them to our members that we have for our phone companies. We get phone calls for everything. So definitely we do referrals over the phone. So you're getting exposure over the phone. Um, and we also get a lot of requests over phone, in person, and email for relocation packets. In our relocation packets, we do have like information on basically businesses that are around here for them to utilize, such as like um, daycares, our members for that, our apartments, people that we have, such as like Pioneer Rentals, and other members that we have like that. We have sections for several different things, such as like restaurants, RV parks, vehicle repairs, stuff like that. So definitely, and I said stuff like that like 5 times, and I'm so sorry, but so we do get a lot of requests for those. So we send those out through email and snail mail. So those are going out to people, and your information is in there. It'll list your address and your phone number. And we're getting ready to revamp them so that they'll be even more in depth on you guys. So look forward to me reaching out to you guys to get more information on that. So for in-person referrals, during the slow season, we don't have as many people coming in except for like, locals or people that are traveling for like business or anything like that. I keep saying anything like that. I'm sorry. Okay. So during our summer seasons, which is starting very early this year, we are getting like we've basically already hit like 500 for the month of May already, May 2021, for people coming in. And these people are asking about the area, things to do, where to shop, where to eat. So we hand out restaurants that are our members here. We hand out the tourist guides. We have lots of stuff that we give out to them that are promoting our members. So if you have flyers that you want up here or business cards, we hand those out like crazy as well. And especially in our like 24-hour kiosk, we have people that come in and they just want to look at our 24-hour kiosk. And if your information's out there, they're going to see it and they're going to grab it. So definitely make sure to bring up your stuff like flyers, um, brochures, business cards. We love stuff such as those that we can put in our 24-hour kiosk and behind our desk to help people find their perfect Green River adventure. So, Green River, Sweetwater County adventure, Flaming Gorge adventure. On our website, we also do like let me show you. Let me get there really quick. So again, here's our website. And we have a visit tab and it's got things to do. And let's see if I can make this a little bit bigger maybe. There we go, I think. Maybe that made it a little bit bigger. So things to do like annual events. We list Quilting on the Green, the Overland Stage Stampede Rodeo. We list the Red Desert Roundup Rodeo. We list River Festival. We list all the events that are like super annual and bring a lot of people here. The Wilkins Peak Bike Trail System, that's a really big one. I definitely recommend if you have like some kind of bike business or rent bikes or anything like that. let me know. And I can put this in here for, because there are literal enthusiasts for mountain biking. So definitely send me that stuff or post it in the Tollgate member Facebook page and I can get that put in here. Explore Green River. We pride ourselves on our wide open spaces and having the ability to start an adventure right outside our front doors. So if we click on that, it's going to take you over to the Explore Wyoming for Rock Springs and Green River Sweetwater County page. And it's going to have like explore towns, it's going to have the maps, it's going to have sightseeing, anything that you can do. And if you're a member and you're on, like, say the gateway to the Flaming Gorge, I'm still working on setting up that part of the website. But so we have like Lucerne Marina, we have Buckboard Marina, we have several businesses that are down on the Flaming Gorge route, the loop, and they're going to go right in here. And definitely, if somebody comes in here and tells me that they're going to go on the loop, and what do I recommend? I'm definitely going to recommend you guys. And that was a pencil, and I'm sorry I was playing with the pencil, and it fell. Okay, so email referrals. So email referrals, we get them not as often as phone calls, in person, or website views, but we do get email referrals, and or we do give out email referrals still quite often. I would say quite a few times a month, and it's mostly sending out our relocation packet. But I've definitely sent out the tourist guide and the restaurants here in Green River information out too, as well as like accommodations. So we do that as well. I have been getting lately I've been getting like Facebook messages, and I've been giving out referrals on those as well for mostly restaurants and accommodations so far. I think I've gotten one for like shopping. But so we are giving out referrals in multiple ways for our chamber members. So again, we're doing it over the phone, in person, email, Facebook, on our website. So like here, let's see. So where to eat? And we have it separated out into like Green River restaurants, Rock Springs restaurants. So let's look at Green River restaurants. And then it goes like onto the site. So we click on McDonald's, okay? It's going to have their times that they're open. It's going to have like this, as well as like a map of where they're located for easier access for everybody. So if you have pictures, so like if you have pictures of like food that you guys have taken, please send it to me. I definitely want to constantly be updating this because your guys' menus are absolutely amazing and they're delicious. And I've eaten literally at all these restaurants right here and I love them. I love all of them. So if you have pictures of your food, I definitely want to be able to share that with people who are visiting our area. So definitely send those to me or post them in the Tollgate member Facebook group. And then we can get, let's see, position this right again. We can get that put out into the public and we can get hopefully, you know, more people into your door. So those are the way that we do referrals up here. I probably made that very and like that and very long and dragged out for you guys, but I apologize for that. So that was all for that one. Next I'll be talking about the digital sign. It'll mostly be an overview because I do have the guide on the digital sign that I'll be making videos for. And so definitely watch out for that video next. Okay, bye.